synthetic wigs have really been on it lately. Like, do you guys remember how bad they used to look? Like, we were really out here looking like this. But now these companies are trying to get us together, and we love them for that. Outre especially always gets me right. Now, if you want to see how I installed it, plus an honest review on it, keep watching. So this is the Outre Davey wig in the color Cajun Spice. Literally, as soon as I saw the girl in the picture with it on, I was like, that's got to be mine. The top of the wig is black and under is the Cajun Spice color, which is really just a blend of reds and orange. The part wasn't too bad, but you know, as an honorary hair influencer, I had to pluck it to make it a bit wider. There wasn't much parting space, so just be careful when plucking it yourself. Once I put on the wig, I positioned it where the side part should essentially sit and then put powder on just that part and around the perimeter. Now taking some foundation, I'm going to put that on the actual part. And honestly guys, I'm really starting to like foundation rather than powder for my parts lately, just because it sticks better to the lace now. I do want to try like the sprays and the tints, but I don't know, these foundations really been doing it for me lately. To lay the wig down, I'm just going in with some Got2b spray around the perimeter and just blow drying it until the lace feels secure. I'm curious guys, do you normally cut your lace before or after you've glued down your wig? I feel like I always cut it when it's actually on my head, and I've kind of learned how to do this basically so I can cut it to my hairline. But honestly, I never do that anyways because I definitely have a widow's peak and I really be cutting a straight, or I guess curved line across my head. So what's the point? But you know, let me know what you guys prefer down below. All right, y'all, it's baby hair time. Now, it already had some pre-cut ones, but, you know, I had to cut some more. Now, I did tell you I was practicing on my baby hairs, and I am getting a little bit better. I still be playing around just to see what it's not supposed to look like, but I think I'm starting to get a little bit better. What y'all think? And here is just me doing TikToks for the gram. And if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, make sure to do that. I'll leave my links down below and here on the video. So this wig can take up to 425 degrees. So I'm using my hot comb just to flatten out the part a bit. Let's see what this wig is hitting for with the makeup on. I like this, it's cute. I don't be knowing what to do with synthetic wigs because, you know, they don't like to be touched. But I'm gonna start with the wide tooth and just see what happens. Not much is happening. I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of water. Cause hopefully that can bring some curls back, or at least define it back a little bit. I'm not gonna spray a lot, just a little bit. So I used water instead of mousse because the more products you use on synthetic wigs, the shinier it'll get, which we do not want with this wig. This is cute! Ooh, we like her. And this is the final look, guys. It came out so freaking cute. The length, the cut, it's all fire. Like B.O.B. so they call me Bob, honey. So cute. Tell me what you think down below. Make sure to keep watching so you can get my honest review on this wig. This wig. Can y'all tell I'm obsessed? Can y'all tell I am obsessed? Like, in front of the face? Ooh. Girl, ask about me. Who is she? Shayna. Ask about her. And I see this. Y'all, this looks so mother freaking cute. Ugh. Ugh. Hair should never look this good. I think the synthetic wig game is really coming strong, and I feel like it's gonna become even stronger in 2022. Cause this is cute. And I've had this actually for a while. I've just been like procrastinating on installing it. They have it in black, but that Cajun spice on the girl look real cute. Dude, you can't tell me that don't look cute. You cannot tell me that don't look cute. You cannot tell me this don't look cute, okay? So I do feel like it was a little more curly or like wavy, I guess, in the picture, but I don't know if it's because I kept playing in it. If you can avoid it, try not to like do too much with it as possible, because it definitely was snagging on me a little bit. But that's why I added the water and kind of brushed it through, which I never really brush out my synthetic wigs, y'all. I know that it hates that, but I feel like the synthetic wigs they're making nowadays need that, because we gotta treat it like it's real hair. Because I mean, it might be a blend, but there's some real hairs in there anyways, and they need to be combed as well. So yeah, that's why I did that. And the water definitely helped bring some of them curls back into each other and back together. So we love that. You can't, girl, you cannot tell me I'm not serving. You cannot tell me I'm not serving, okay? I love me with bobs. Like, I do want like a super, super long wig eventually, like when I just can wrap my head around paying a lot of money for a really long wig. But these bobs on me lately, you can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. Much like out. Ooh. Y'all ain't have to do all that. Not me thinking somebody's shooting. Okay, it's a little flatter. It's giving very much a wet look. I don't know if that was the right move. Let me just try this a little bit. All right, I put a little bit of water in it, so hopefully it dries off real quick. But I think that definitely helped like calm it down, because it was really big. It was really big, and that's probably because I brushed it. But it needed a good brushing. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, yo, they gotta chill with the fireworks. It's not even a real like fireworky kind of holiday. It's just Christmas, y'all. It's not even that serious. I don't know if that was a Christmas gift, but save that for. You've got a couple more days you can say that for. Like, today is not the day. It looks so much better like when you wet it a little bit, just so you can like control the curls. Like the color I feel like is a little bit more pronounced. It's not as poofy. Like, it's just a vibe. It's really a vibe, and I love this. Have you guys tried this wig? Let me know, because this is my first time trying this wig, and I'm just saying, outre. Y'all did that. Y'all did this, because this is really cute. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Leave some comments down below of your thoughts on this wig. Are we feeling it? Are we not? Like, do we want more videos like this? More synthetic wigs? I think the synthetic wigs are hitting everything, all the marks, every single one, every single last one, just all of them. And make sure to thumbs this video up so I know that you like this video and you want more. You want to see more of Shayna in 2022, okay? I didn't try to get scared that time. Anywho, thank you so much for watching as usual, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.